Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. Okay, so today I am going to solve the exercise number 6.3 from factorization. Exercise 6.3. From factorization. First main, carry out the following divisions. First main, carry out the following divisions. Question number 1, 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x is there. Okay. So instead of a division sign, I have taken in the form of fraction. Okay. Next, first to concentrate on the constants. 28 to the 28. 28 to the 56. Correct? So just to write 1 by 2. So 1 is there in the numerator, 2 is there in denominator. Later on, x. What is the power here? 4. Below what is the power of x? 1. Just subtract from 4. So it is there in numerator. Next, 1 by 2 as it is, x to the power 4 minus 1 means 3. What is the final answer? 1 by 2 x to the power 3. Okay. Next. Minus 36, what is the power 3? Question number 2. What is the power 3? Divided by 9 by square. 9 by square. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. Later on minus 4. Next y. The power is how much? 3. What is the power? Minus 2. So what is the final answer? 4 y to the power 1, because 3 minus 2 means how much? 1. Clear, children? Okay. So next term, you people just try third one and fourth one. I will try the question number 5. Question number 5 is 12 a to the power 8 and b to the power 8. 12 a to the power 8 and b to the power 8 divided by minus 6 a to the power 4 and b to the power 6 and b to the power 4. Okay, how to solve? First, 6 ones are 6 twos are. So we have cancelled the constants in the same table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. And what is your answer? Minus 2 as it is. A to the power how much? 8 is there, down 6 is there. Just subtract 6 from 8. Next term, take b. This is 8 and this is 4. Correct? Next term, minus 2 as it is. 8 minus 6 means 2. b to the power 8 minus 4 means 4. So this is your final answer. Okay? Write down the answers. Okay, children. Now I'll go to question number second main. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Okay, question number second main. Question number 1. So the question number 1 is 5x square minus 6x. 5x square minus 6x whole divided by 3x. 3x. Okay. Here the questions were direct, so we have solved. But here we have to take the common factors. How to take the common factors? 5x square minus 6x is there. Correct? So 5x square minus 6x means what is the common here? Take x common. The remaining values are 5x minus 6 as is, because in 5 table 6 is not there, in 6 table 5 is not there. Just keep them as it is, whole divided by 3x. X and x get cancelled. 5x minus 6 whole divided by 3. So this is your first answer. Okay, shall we go for question number 2? Question number 2. 10x minus 25 divided by x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Okay, so how to do this? X is not there, but 10 and 5, 25 are there. What you want to do? You just take 5 is the common, remaining values are 2x minus 5. Because 5 is the 10, 5 5 is the 25. What is the denominator? 2x minus 5 as it is. Correct, children? Okay, next term, just cancel these two. 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. The answer is 5. So this is your second answer. Just write down. So I'll solve question number 3. Okay. So next two people solve question number 4 and question number 5. Later on I will solve question number 6. So question number 6 is not there. I will solve question number 5. So shall we go question number 3? Okay. Question number 3 is second main question number 3. 10y into 6y plus 21. 10y in the bracket 6y plus 21 whole divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. 5 into 2y plus 7. So first term, check out the question. In question 10y into 6y plus 21 is there, and the denominator 5 into 2y plus 7 is there. 7 is there. First we cancel 5 together. 5 is the 5. 5 is the 10. So 2y. Next term 6y and 21 is there. So take 3 common. So 2y plus 7. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Whole divided by 2y plus 7. These two will cancel. The remaining are 3 2s are 6 into y. So this is your final answer. Okay. So you people try question number 4. Now I will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is 9abc into 9abc into 3a minus 12. 3a minus 12. Next term 5b minus 30 whole divided by 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6. Okay. What is all this question? First cancel the constants. 96 is there. So 12 is 96. 12 is 144. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Correct? So there is no. Again, you are not able to cancel 2 and 3. So what to do now? Numerator are 2abc. Now think these two terms. Now take 3 common. A minus 4 because 3 into a 3a, 3 4s are 12. Here we take 5 common, b minus 6, 5 6 are 30. Whole divided by 3 into a minus 4, then b minus 6. A minus 4 and a minus 4 cancel each other. B minus 6, b minus 6 will cancel. 3 and 3 will cancel. So what are the remaining values here? 5 2s are 10. ABC, just two people write ABC. So this is your final answer. So just write down the answers. Okay children, next we will go to the third main. Okay. The third main is work out the following divisions. Work out the following. So okay, third main is completed now. Okay, in the next video I will solve fourth main and fifth main. Please practice the sums. Thank you. Have a nice day.